Hey, good morning, YouTubers. Thanks for tuning in to the Nevada Arcade channel. We are in the outskirts of Fallon, Nevada, and we are actually headed today to Montgomery Pass to do a video on that burned out casino that burned out in about 2010. I think it was March. And we stumbled across this little farmhouse here on the way, so we thought we'd give it a quick look-see. Sorry about the bright sun. We'll see if we can't get behind it here. Anyways, this looks like an old ranch house that has been abandoned that I know of for at least 20 years, as I've traveled this road a lot. Not a lot left of it. This was actually savable 15 or 20 years ago when I stopped actually to look at it, and as you can see, there are no windows left. Even the casings and the door frames are gone. And if I'm not mistaken, when I came here the last time, there were plans. Somebody had planned a remodel, and there were plans on the countertop in here. However, this is a lot different than it was 20 years ago. So you can see the roof is all but starting to cave in. You can see daylight through it, and of course the copper thieves have been here. And it's a telltale sign when the walls are ripped open like that. They've come in here and taken the copper. Really a shame, but this was the kitchen area. And as you can see the cabinets, I actually stopped here and I brought a contractor friend of mine, and on one of these counters, I think it was probably over here, there was a set of plans for the kitchen. And there were plans for sizes, etc. I'm going to take a look out the window here. A couple of little sheds and an outbuilding over there, fenced off. So it's pretty rugged out here with all the tumbleweed and everything. I would imagine with the color of this trim in this room, as you can see, might have been a girl's room. Somebody may have grown up here. But that's it. There's not a lot left to see here. I wish there was more, but here's a little outbuilding we'll take a peek at. We can get down there without tripping and falling here. I'm sure this was maybe some kind of a... Now here's to show you how old maybe this is. Somebody can tell me maybe the age of that doorknob there. Yeah, this was just some kind of a shed here. Not much left. The roof is gone, and they did have what looks to be kind of a nice fireplace there, but used to be some green trim on here. Now here's another outbuilding, which I didn't even notice before. We'll try and get to that. Like I said, there's a lot of trash spewed around here. Somebody had done some kind of work here, as you see this pile of probably trim and casing for the doors and windows. This actually looks a little bit finished off, like maybe, I can't imagine, but it possibly was maybe either a wood shop or just a little shop. I don't see any electrical in the walls, so I doubt anybody was living here. But same situation with the roof. Mother Nature is going to take this place back. And who knows, we may see a housing development out here one time. It's hard to say how many acres are out back here, but it could be upwards of 1,000. We'll go back through the house here. It's a little easier than walking outside. A lot of alfalfa ranches in this area. This Fallon, Nevada area is considered the banana belt of Nevada. They grow all the alfalfa for all the race horses. You see a lot of trucks heading to California with Fallon and Urington on the door. But I just wanted to stop here, guys. I've driven by it hundreds of times, haven't been here for 20 years. And that's about it. We are headed to the burned out casino on Montgomery Pass. That should be our next video, and we will be there a little bit later today. Thanks for tuning in.